Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to activate a Visa gift card. Now I want to show you how to activate a Visa gift card. We want to give a step-by-step guide on how to do it using your phone. And the first thing you need to do is to call the activation number, that is dial the phone number listed on the back of the gift card or in the packaging. Then follow the automated prompts. Listen to the automated prompts and follow the instructions to activate your card. Next you should type in the 16-digit card number and expiration date. Then you have to create a PIN. This is optional, but some gift cards may require you to create a PIN for security purposes. That's it, it's as simple as that. Now, it's important for you to know that activation requirements may vary depending on the card issuer. Now, some gift cards may have additional activation steps or requirements. Also, make sure to sign the back of the card and keep it in a safe place to prevent unauthorized use. Hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.